This is a really cool demonstration on solving a two-step equation. This is competency number 1 with introductory algebra. When you solve a two-step linear equation, you're going to be using the addition property of equality and then the multiplication property of equality. So let's start with a simple example. Down here we have 1x plus 0 equals 8. So what number plus 0 equals 8? The answer is x equals 8. If I change b, I have the equation ax plus b equals c. I'm going to change b. So you see down below here I have 1x plus 1 equals 8. How do I solve that equation? I'm going to use the addition property of equality. I'm going to add a negative 1 to both sides. So the answer is x equals 7. So what number what number plus 1 equals 8? 7 plus 1 equals 8. Let's change b to 2. So what number plus 2 equals 8? To solve this, you're going to add a negative 2 to both sides. That leaves you with x equals 6. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's change that to a 3. What number plus 3 equals 8? 5. So if it's x plus 3 equals 8, you want to undo the plus 3. So you add a negative 3 to both sides. Okay, watch this. It's going to change automatically. So if we have plus 8, x plus 8, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. And x is 0. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. Okay, how about x minus 6 equals 8? What number minus 6 equals 8? Well, to solve this, you're going to add 6 to both sides. You want to get x by itself. So you add 6. And 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So if you have x minus 5 equals 8, you add 5 to both sides. X minus 4, you add 4. X minus 3, you add 3. So you just do the opposite here. So if it's plus 1, you subtract 1 from both sides because you want to undo this. We'll just let it run through once so you can see it. Okay. Now let's change this to 0. And let's change a, the number in front of the x. Watch what happens here. So if I put a 2 there, 2 times what number plus 0 equals 8? So 2x equals 8. Well, when this is the multiplication property of equality. To undo the number in front of the x, the coefficient, you want it to be 1x. So I'm going to multiply by 1/2 to get rid of that 2. Or you could just say I'm going to divide by 2. So 2x equals 8. Right here you can see down here you're dividing by 2. 8 divided by 2. Let's put a 3 here. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's how you get 1x. And you get 8/3. So if we put a 4 there, you can divide both sides by 4. So it's 8 divided by 4, you get 2. If it's 5x, divide by 5. So you get 8/5. Divide both sides by 6. You get 8/6, which is 4/3. Let's do a negative. So if you had negative 7x plus 0 equals 8, you're going to divide both sides by negative 7. You get negative 8/7. both sides by negative 4. Get negative 8 fourths, which is negative 2. Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 1. Now you divide both sides by 2. See the pattern? Okay, let's let them both go here. Now we're changing both A and B. I'm going to stop it. Okay, so how do you solve this equation? You have negative 5x plus 4 equals 8. It's plus 4. So you subtract 4 from both sides. You get negative 5x equals 4, because 8 minus 4 is 4. And then you divide both sides by negative 5. So 4 divided by negative 5 is negative 4/5. Let's let them both go again. We're just generating new values for A and B. I'll stop that one. Stop that one. So here we're going to add 4 to both sides and then divide by 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Dividing both sides by 2, you get x equals 6. Now let's let them all go. We're going to change C. So you see it's changing 11, 12, 14. Everything's changing. Let's wait for that to go negative. Okay. Now let's stop that. Stop that one. Stop that one. Okay, so 2 steps. We're going to add 8. Want to get rid of that minus 8, so we add 8 to both sides. Negative 16 plus 8 is negative 8. We're done. Stop that one. Stop that one. Stop that one. Okay, so we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. Negative 10 minus 4 is negative 14. And then you're going to divide both sides by negative 6. So you get 14, 6, because a negative divided by a negative is a positive. And 14, 6 simplifies down to 7/3. So this is solving a 2-step linear equation. First step is to use the addition property of equality to get x by itself. And then you use the multiplication property of equality, which means you're just going to divide both sides by the coefficient, the number in front of the x. One more and we're done. Okay, so we have 3x plus 2 equals negative 2. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So negative 2 minus 2, that's negative 4. And then divide both sides by 3. You get negative 4/3.